Welcome, Jessica. Thank you so much for giving me some feedback on hypnosis. What would you say to anybody who's never done it and thinking about it?
I would say that anybody could benefit from hypnosis. I really didn't have any idea what to expect. In coming here, I just knew I wanted to fix some things within myself, and after I left here, I felt like the day I left here, I felt like I could do anything. I mean, I know that sounds weird to say, but I immediately wanted to tell everybody I knew about this, because everybody has things they're dealing with and things that they want to work on, and I felt like this was like the fast track to results for things that are difficult to work on. And I know I just described it to you as like feeling like you leave here and you're on drugs, but it was like the opposite of being on drugs. It was like, I imagine on drugs makes you feel out of control. It was the opposite of that. It was like you somehow feel weirdly in control of your mind and your thoughts and how you're expressing yourself, and everything just seemed crystal clear. Like the day I left here for my first session, and made me really excited to come back. And I don't know how else to explain, wanting to come back other than you feel like you just want to like lock in everything you just achieved.
Were you shocked at that first session?
I was. I didn't know what to expect, and if I had to envision what I would want to get out of it, it was exactly what I was trying to achieve. It was exactly what I had hoped it would be.
Thank you so much. And you said that you've been in the self-help journey for a while. Could you just say briefly where?
I would say since high school.
Where has hypnosis been different than that?
It's like it takes you to the next level. I am all about self-help. I think it is great. I think it can, inspire ideas to help yourself that maybe you couldn't uncover on your own. And I feel like hypnosis takes it to the next level, where you feel like you've done all this self-help and you've tried to, get to where you want to be, but you just can't seem to get there. And I feel like hypnosis opens that door for you to be able to do that.
Thank you so much. Anything else that you want to say for anybody out there who's maybe struggling with something and considering doing this?
Yeah, absolutely. I feel like if someone is struggling with something, whether it's a small thing or a big thing, and you're trying to find just an answer or a way to help yourself, and you might be considering medications or other types of therapy, or who knows what you might be considering doing to try to help yourself, I would highly recommend giving this a try. I don't feel like there's any downside, and there can only be an upside.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.